Hello everyone, I am Rejon. Today I am going to show you how to feed a just hatched baby bird. Sometimes we might face a problem like when parents do not tend to feed their baby. There could be many reasons behind it. The main reasons being the parents are just feeding the elder ones, or they have got weaker feeding elder ones, or when one of them has died. In this situation, we have to feed those babies until the parents start to feed them. Now I am going to show you how you can do that. Here you can see that I have already prepared my homemade hand feeding solution. As you can see that it's not so thick. That's why it's easy to digest and it's full of natural nutrition. So you can see that it's not so thick. Now I am going to feed him. So you have to dip your fingers on hand feeding solution and feed him in this manner. Keep doing like that until 70% of his crop fills with food. You have to feed him after 1 or 2 hours, but make sure his crop is fully empty. Otherwise, it can create other problems. So you can see that his crop is full of hand feeding solution, and you have to do it until their parents start feeding them. I think this video will help you all. In the upcoming videos, I'll make some comprehensive video on hand feeding. So bear with this channel. That would be all for today. Thanks.